for joining today. My name is Anthony. You know the channel by Mr. Paranormal 39. And if you saw the title of the thumbnail, then thanks for joining. Today we are building out a quick DAO. So this is just covering quickly the installation and just quick process, and so you can essentially get a rundown. I do have a full link to the repo in the description below, and I also have a little devlog you can find on Dev2, which I'll also post. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. So what we're going to do here is we're going to make a fresh installation for you guys. So before we get started though, just want to make sure you guys also have your proof server running. So mine is currently up and running, as you can see here. So if you haven't, let's go ahead and start that up. So jumping into it, I'm already in my projects folder, so I'm just going to go ahead and make a new directory called DAO demo, and we'll cd into that. And we'll go ahead and clone this repo, which is this whole project's based off of. Now, as that's cloned into it, let's go ahead and see what it is. Let's cd into that. Okay, and we're going to want to install the packages. So once that's done installing, what we're going to do is we're going to cd into our contract folder. Now in that folder, we're going to have the smart contract written compact, and essentially what helps get this project really the heart of the project. And it covers the basics of ZKs and stuff. And a lot of this is more documented inside the folder and the Git repo. So once that installed, we're going to cd to contract, and we're going to npm install that as well. It has its own packages. And then we're going to do npm run compact. What this is doing right now is compiling the circuits in compact, so you can verify that it's currently up to date and also that there's no bugs. And again, thank you guys for checking out this channel. If you can like, subscribe, tell me what kind of DAOs you'd like to see, and what kind you're interested in building. So now we're going to cd back. We're going to cd into the DAO CLI, and then we're going to go. Oh, actually, I missed one step. Let's jump back into the contract, and we're going to npm run build. And what this does is it builds out the contract and puts the artifacts in a specific folder. Now we can cd back, cd into the DAO-CLI, and then we're going to go npm run start. Now, this is as you can see, it's up. So now what we're going to do is we could either create a new wallet, or we can pull one from a seed. And to save time, I kind of want to just pull just a demo. But you know what? Let's just see how long. Let's go ahead and do the full process. Oh no, actually, there's a reason why I'm restoring it, because when you restore it, when you get your wallet, you're gonna have to go ahead and start generating dust. Okay, so this wallet already has funds in it. This is a pre-prod test wallet, and it was just created for this example, so there's really no benefits from it. So right now, all right. So once that's over with, you're gonna want to go ahead and create a new proposal. What this is we're going to deploy a new proposal contract. And the structure of this of the proposals are fairly simple. I want something lightweight, so it's essentially going to be a proposal, a policy, policy type, and pretty much the description. And you'll have three choices, your three votes: yes, no, and I think it's appeal, or yeah, the third option is kind of like in between where you're undecisive, and it's just very lightweight. And so from here, we'll probably just create a simple, I'm thinking just a simple treasury policy. And also, once the contract's deployed, you'll get your deploy contract reference. You will also receive, let me see, it will initialize the contract. So now the policy type, let's type in treasury management. Let us say we're going to sell Knights for Dust. And we're selling all the Knight for all the Dust. Now, that's a little joke because Dust is free and you cannot technically do that. So now, that's not the only part. You'll actually get to vote on this contract. Now, which we vote? I say we go ahead and vote for it, even though it's impossible. Let's just see what they do. And this is the fun part. See, let me hop over. You can see the transactions going on the proof server. Should probably put one above the other. All right, let's see if we can see both. Here is the proposals, and the top is the proof server. All right, so let's go ahead and advance. We'll take the proposal and we're going to move it to the reveal phase where we could see the votes. So we're going to press 5 down here and see the proof server reacting towards it. Submitting our proofs by updating the block height, and we are moving this proposal to the next phase. I would also love to see everyone's the different types of DAOs that people are going to build. Once that's done, we could go ahead and reveal. Now all this is on the pre-prod network. So it's using its witness. And again, if you can, check out the devlog as well. And let's see. Okay. What did it say? So a witness was generated. Voting votes. Vote reveal transaction. And vote generates okay. Vote revealed and tally updated. Ledger proposed round 0. And that is it. So yes, your votes are hidden, but they are being counted for. And that's pretty much the end of this. Appreciate you guys checking this out. If you would like to see more content like this, definitely leave a like, subscribe. If you want to see me build something out, go ahead and comment. Let's see if we could get something going. Again, thanks for checking it out.